Dear students, in this module, we're going to talk about one of the regional languages called Pashto. Pashto is also called Pakhto. It's a member of Iranian division of or the Indo-Iranian division of languages. It is regionally spoken by Pashtun people who mostly reside in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa of Pakistan as well as in Afghanistan. It is considered to be, as a rough estimate, it is considered to be spoken by 35 million people around the globe, and most of them do reside in Pakistan and Afghanistan. It became the national language of Afghanistan in 1936, although many smaller communities of Pakistani as well as Afghan diaspora communities exist in United Kingdom as well as in other European regions. Difficult to reach a consensus regarding that when the Pashto as a language, as a systematic structured language, came into existence. We can consider the two principal or two major dialects of Pashto, which are divided into the southern as well as northern dialect or northern regions. The sentence construction of the Pashto is more like Hindi. However, its script, if we talk about, it is written in the modified Arabic alphabetic script. The earliest form of available poetry was Muhammad Hotek's Pata Khazana, which was written in roughly around 1728 and 29, which means the hidden treasure. If we talk about its famous or well-known Pashto language poets, we can have the names like Amir Khusro, Rahman Baba, Sher Shah Suri, Saifullah, and Kazim Khan.